What's poppin', fam? It's your girl Lisa, aka Style Nature, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a quick 10-minute intense hip opening session. So if you have a little time, let's get into it. First thing you need to do is stretch your inner thighs to get prepared for this hip opening session. You can modify some of the moves that I will be doing. Woo! Just listen to your body and let's get started. Now we're going to come to a seated position and close your eyes. Slow down your breath. Deep breath in. And release. Bring one hand to your heart, the other one to your stomach. Ground yourself even more. Deep breath in. And out. Now take several more deep breaths at your own pace. If your eyes are closed, go ahead and open them. Separate your knees slightly and begin to rock your hips left and right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. We're just getting ourselves prepared to go into a deep child's pose. Find stillness, reach your arms forward and come down into a widening child's pose. Your chin or your forehead can come down to the mat, letting your hips widen with each breath. Slowly, just take your time, let your body do the work. Deep breath in and out. With every exhale, let your body begin to relax even more. Gently sit yourself up and bring your knee a little bit wider and find yourself back in that reaching child's pose. This should be a super wide niche child's pose. Try your best not to hurt yourself. Go at your own pace. Behind me, my toes are close to each other, but they're not touching each other at all. If you like, turn your head to one side. Lift your head and turn to the other side. Lift your chest back into a seated position. Make your way into a yogi squat. Now this is where we can go into a beginner's yogi squat, using one knee at a time, taking your time. If you have bad knees, bad hips, whatever case might be, Just take your time. If you can do both knees, then with all due, please do. You can definitely get a better stretch in your hips and it will make it more intense, but you can do one knee at a time. Try your best not to slip, fall, or harm yourself. Using your elbows to let your knees press a little wider, palms together, heart center. Find stillness now, focus on your breath, and continue to press your elbows inside of your knees. That's just going to widen your hips even more. From here, you can widen your stance in a deep yogi squat. You can also just use one leg at a time if you cannot use both knees at once. Your knees should be moving out over your toes every time. Y'all, I know I usually don't talk in these videos, but I'm telling y'all, it's been like at least 2 years since I was able to really do this for as long as I'm doing it right now. If you can go further than me, go further. This is just all I have right now. But me just doing this video one time, I have got this far. And I'm able to talk, and it do hurt. Ooh. Hold there, extending your left leg. Extending both arms forward into the same direction. Lift your chest, open both arms, and we're going to take that arm all the way to the sky. And we're going to go back to center, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Right leg extending out, extending both arms out just like the leg. Alright, bring yourself to center, lifting both legs and hips high, rocking side to side, left and right, bending gently into each knee. Left and right, left and right, right, left, right, left, right, left. Hold center, elbows to the floor as far as you can get them. Be careful not to slip. Extend those hips, opening as wide as possible so you can get those elbows to the ground as far as you can. Make sure you are comfortable and at your pace. Just hold and breathe. Now put one hand to the ground, one to the sky for a twist. Switch sides. Switch sides again. And last switch. Come to center and release yourself all the way down to the mat. We're going to come back down to that hip widening position, super wide, child's pose. You can even say frog's pose here. If you can get your toes to touch, please touch toes. Drop your elbows to the mat or stretch out forward. Hold here. Really push yourself here. Stretch those hips as far as you can stretch them. Breathe deeply in and out. Full breath in and out. Do frog's pose. Deep stretch there. Very intense. Bring your forehead to the mat. Feel free. Gently bring yourself out of that stretch. You have completed the intense hip opening 10-minute session. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Namaste.